Hello everyone, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video we have learned about TDS introduction. Today we will talk about the TDS configuration part 1. Firstly, we need to create TDS payable GLs. Go to SAP and we will create a GL as we have created earlier. What is the T code to create GLs? FS00. Select your company. Then under current liability group, we will create TDS payable GL. Give your GL account number, company code. Under type and description, select account group current liability. Then click on balance sheet account. Under short description, give the GL description like I am creating the GL for section 194C TDS payable. Then give long description 194C TDS payable account. Under control data, give currency INR for India. Then click on only balance in local currency. Then click on open item management. Then click on line item display. Give sort key 001. Then create bank and interest. Select your field status group G001. Then you must click on post automatically only. Then click on save. In a same manner, you have to create the GLs for all the sections. I am doing the configuration for 194C TDS payable. So I have created only one GL. You have to create for all the sections. Now next step is maintain company code settings. In this step, we maintain the first month of taxation financial year. So what is the first month of financial year? Like April is the first month of financial year in India. So we will maintain this. This is your path. I have mentioned here. This is your path. Now go to SAP. Run the T code SPRO. Then click on SAP reference IMG. Here you must click on Logistics Journal. Logistics Journal, here it is. Under this, you have to click on Tax on Goods Movement. Then click on India. Then Basic Settings. Then here second one, Maintain Company Code Settings. Then click on New Entry. Give your company code. That is Tata. Here first month, you have to click on April is a first month of our financial year. So I have mentioned here, then click on save. Now we'll get back to the presentation. Next step is extended withholding settings. In a extended withholding settings, first step is check withholding tax countries. In this step, we have to check the country, is it mentioned or no. If it is not there, so we have to create it. Otherwise, just check it. This is your path. Go to SAP. Run the T code SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. In financial accounting, click on financial accounting global settings. Then withholding tax. Then extended withholding tax. Then first one, basic settings. In basic settings, here first one, check withholding tax countries. Here we have to check it, your company code, IN for India. Here you can see it is already maintained. If in your system it is not maintained, then you have to click on new entry, give country code IN again, then give description India, then click on save. Now next step is define withholding tax keys. Friends, withholding tax keys means the income tax sections like 194C, 194G, 194D. These are the section. So in SAP, this section is known as withholding tax keys, or you can say official keys. So this is the path. Go to SAP. In basic settings, next step is define withholding tax keys. Click on this execution button. Give country code, IN for India. Then click on new entries. We will give official key, or you can say income tax section. I am creating for 194C. Here you can give a description about this. 194C for payment to contractor. Then click on save. Now we'll get back. Next step is define reasons for exemption. Friends, in some companies or individuals get the exemption in your TDS rate. So what is the reason behind their exemption rate? So here we will maintain the reason for exemption. This is the path to maintain reason for exemptions. In basic settings, financial accounting new. Firstly, run the T code SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then financial accounting new, then financial accounting global settings, then withholding tax, extended withholding tax. Under with extended withholding tax, click on basic settings. Then third one, define reasons for exemption. First we have created check withholding tax countries. Then we have created define withholding tax keys. Now next one, define reasons for exemption. Give your country code IN for India. Here we can maintain the reasons. Click on new entry. Like I am giving 05 for sickness. I am giving the reason is sickness. Then click on save. Now next step is define business place. It is used to maintain the income tax address or reason and used to take TDS certificate from the vendor. It is also very important. Business place means a income tax address. This is the path to maintain business place. Go to SAP. Run the T code SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Here, cross application components. Under this, click on general application functions. In a general function, click on Nota Fiscal. Click on Nota Fiscal. Here, the Fourth one, CNPJ Business Places. Click on it. Here is the first one, define business places. Click on this execution button. Give your company code. Here, give the business place name. Click on new entry. Give the code for your business place. Like I am giving TADL for Delhi. This is the address of your income tax office or income tax region. Then click on enter. It is already exists. So in the same way, you have to click it. Create it. Then click on save. Now we'll get back. Friends, now define section codes. Section code means the 10 numbers of your companies. 10 number is tax account number. It is also very important configuration step. So go to SAP. Here. Now we'll get back. Click on this financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings. Withholding tax. Extended withholding tax. Basic settings. Then India. Now here you can see define section codes. Give company code. Then here we can create new entry. Give section code, that is TADL for Delhi. DELHI. Then click on save. So friends, in our next video, we will continue these tedious configurations. Today, we have learned till defined section codes. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.